This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life.
Hello everybody, here I am in my kitchen and I'm making a juice, and I'm making more juice than I normally make. I like to use the juicer every single day and get the juice as fresh as possible. However, recently a friend of mine told me about vacuum sealing your mason jars so the juice will last longer, so you don't have to take out the juicer every day. And I thought, not only will this be a great way for me not to take the juicer out every day, but I know many people watching, they want shortcuts when it comes to juicing. Now, I think when we drink the juice fresh as possible, that's the best. This particular juicer has magnets in them, and the juice will last longer. Those maculating juices that turn real fast, they oxidize very quickly, and you need to drink those right away. But when you have a juicer like this, or any juicer that squeezes the juice out instead of cutting it, it will last longer. And I'm going to show you how we vacuum pack it. So I'm just about done juicing here. I have a few more carrots left, and then I'll be done. And I juiced some sunflower sprouts, I juiced some kale, I juiced some fennel, and I don't usually juice fennel, I just had some fennel, and I wanted to juice it before it was done. I juiced 2 apples in here, and that's it. So I have my juice. This is the second batch. This is actually mostly of the carrots, and I'm pouring it through a strainer. I love to strain my juice. I think it's even though the juicer strains it, a lot of people say, "Oh, there's a strainer in my juicer." It never strains it. Look, there's still a little pulp left over. Now, one of the reasons why I use this expensive juicer is it gets most of the juice out, and there's very little pulp compared to other juicers. So you're getting more juice out of it, and thus saving yourself a good amount of money. So this is all the juice I made here. It's a good amount of juice, and I have 2 mason jars here. So I'll take 1 mason jar, and this is what I'm going to drink right now. So there's my juice right now that I'm going to have. Now I'm going to pour the rest into this mason jar. And this is going to be my juice tomorrow. So simply, what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take this juice in this mason jar, and it's a wide mouth mason jar. So I'm going to take the center of the mason jar. I always wondered why the center was like this. So I'm going to take the center of this mason jar and cover it. So I still have the outside to put over it, but what I do now is, I have this vacuum seal that I bought, and it's just this little simple plastic thing. I'll try to put the link below the video. I have that wrapped around there, and it's called the Fresh Saver Food Saver, or the Food Saver Fresh Saver. And I basically put it here like this, and this is vacuum sealing it. So it won't oxidize or go bad as quickly. And so I'm vacuum sealing this here, and you heard that. So when I take this off now, so this is on very tight. This is vacuum sealed. So I'll just twist this like this, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and this should be fine, maintain its freshness till tomorrow. And then this, I'm just going to drink right now. As I'm cleaning up this, I'll drink this. Really delicious juice. And so it's that simple. That's the way we do it. And so that's, now I could probably get 4 juices out of this if I didn't want to have so much now and so much tomorrow. But at least I'll have this now and this tomorrow. And that's just the way. And you got to think about this. I could have made double the amount and have 4 juices and maybe had juice for the next 4 days. But I just wanted to do this now to make this video. Like I said, I don't mind juicing. And I like to do it all at as fresh as possible. So I don't always do this, but for the sake of the camera, and also testing out my vacuum sealer here, which I recently got. I wanted to do this again. It's been going really well, and when I drink the juice the next day, it still tastes fresh. It actually tastes even better because it's been cold from being in the refrigerator as just coming out like this. So it's a great idea. It's not expensive, this Food Saver vacuum seal. And you could vacuum other things if you have some dry goods that you're putting in mason jars. Vacuum it, sucking that air out is just going to help it not be oxidized as quickly. So I want to encourage you to juice every day. It is really helpful overall in getting nutrients in your body and everything. And here's just a healthier way and tip maybe to help you do that. All right, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life. Put your comments and questions below the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.